the rain let up, street dried out. See if we can get a run in. Still 2S, but with the steering dialed in, and also some touring car wheels and tires. My neighbor.
I wouldn't race that thing with my truck.
Yeah, I just built this one the other day too. Yeah, it's a kit. Yeah, they race these full size in Europe. You know, the big diesels, they race them like NASCAR and stuff in Europe.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they with the turbochargers and all that kind of stuff on them. Yeah, it's a replica of one of those. There we go.
The boys with toys.
Yeah, it's a quick one.
I love it.
Have a good one. So I'm gonna change this servo out. It's pretty quick. It's not that strong, but it's quick. It doesn't need to be that strong with these tiny little wheels and tires. But I'm gonna change out for a Metal Gear servo. I ordered one and it came in, but it sounded crunchy and glitchy and it wouldn't center correctly. So they're gonna send me a refund. And just gotta, I'll probably end up doing the Amazon 20 kg servo everyone does. Try one of those out when I get my refund. But this is quick. Ooh, that did not sound good. Hit my brakes and scuffed my front. Watch out for those dots. Imagine this being 55 millimeters instead of 61, it'd be even lower. Yeah, it's pretty good on 2S. I might leave it on 2S because it's not going to roll over. I know when you get 3S in here, you'll be prone to a few rollovers, and this thing is pretty. I was going to rally this thing, but it looks too good. Maybe if I build another one, I'll build some rally spec shocks and rally cross it. front end does dip down under braking, and the lip's catching on the ground a little bit. So maybe I will add thicker oil in the front wheels.